Hey there everyone, today we're gonna learn how to make a sticky navigation bar or sticky header. So let's get started. First of all, we should know what is sticky navbar. You can see a quick example on my computer screen. When I scrolling the page, the yellow div fixed at the top of the page and remain visible, and other content goes up and hide. It's called a sticky navigation. Here I pick some websites which are using this feature. Here you can see medium website use this sticky header. When I scrolling the page, the header is fixed on the top of the page. Another example of W3 school. It's also use sticky header. When I scrolling the page, the header of the site fixed at the top of the page. There is a lot of website uses sticky navbar. You tell me in the comment section how do you manage this sticky navbar. Okay, I'm sure you will learn it only in 5 minutes. So how to make it? Let's get started. Here I've created a small web page just for reference so that we make a header sticky. So we have one full width banner and we have one navbar on top and one more is bottom, some cards design and one more header and cards. Here is my HTML file and here is CSS file. So now what I am doing, I just create a class named sticky and apply a position and property is sticky. Okay, now top is 0. Now copy it and apply it on header which I was created. Now check what happened. Scrolling. Now yeah, it's working. How simple is that? I have just applied 2 properties and it's working. How easy is that? Now I have copied it and apply on other header. Now see what happened. It's also working. Now do some tricky stuff. Copy the class and apply it on cards. Now the cards become sticky. I really like it. Now what I am doing, I am applying a sticky class to all 3 headers which I created before. Sticky for second one and for last one. Now first header behave as sticky, second header also behave as sticky, and finally third one also. So we learned that just simple position sticky property makes a navbar sticky. Even if apply it on any div, it behaves like a sticky. How simple is that? You can also apply this cool feature on your websites. So alright, hopefully you enjoyed this video. If you have any query, leave the comment below and tell me how do you manage the sticky header. Alright, see you guys in the next video.